You're grinding your bones and joints away. Neck circles, crack, crunch, and grind. Stop doing neck circles if you hear anything or feel a grinding in your neck. Why? Because that means that your neck has been compressed. If there's compression in the spine, that means there's not enough space for each of those vertebrae to move. Your cervical or neck bones, neck vertebra, those have 8 articular surfaces on each one. That means 8 points of contact. Now, if you're grinding, doing neck circles, and it's noisy, you're wearing those joints out. We don't want that. What you want to do is separate the compound movement of a neck circle into 3 basic movements, and while doing those movements, try to be tall. So you want to lengthen with every single movement. This is yes, this is no, and this is maybe. So if you combine those movements separately, yes, no, and maybe, you'll have a much better warm-up for your neck. Now, once you get better, put some space back into your spine, you can go back to neck circles, but slow them down. Feel out each spot, each angle, and the way you would do this is with neck CARS. CARS is an acronym that stands for Controlled Articular Rotations. And how you would do neck CARS is you simply cross your arms in front of you, holding your shoulders and locking it down. You want to have a fair amount of tension below your neck. You want to isolate your neck to be the only thing that moves, and while doing CARS for your neck, you are trying to increase the space. So you're lengthening and doing a circle. So I'm going to go as tall as I possibly can, and it has to be pain-free and silent. If you get an occasional pop that's pain-free, that's fine. But you don't want that peppermill grinding sound. So if you're doing neck circles, they make noise, stop doing them. You're grinding your bones and joints away. Instead, re-establish space between your joints so that you can have freedom of movement and healthier musculature in your neck.